All right, I'm just whipping out my, what I call my any reps. My at least 100 minimums, and then I'm doing some extras for a 2200 extra rep challenge. See if I can get myself in the camera frame that I set up for myself. These are what I like to call, oh look, my foam pad rolled up under my neck. It's like a cheater. Let's see if I can get my feet to correlate. Let's see. Toes pointed up. Now I'll start counting. 4, 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. 9:30. 9:40. And I'm going to flip the feet the other direction here if I can focus. So toes stay up. Let's see. And then, nope, that's the same way I was doing it. Let's do heels. I don't know why this is so difficult to say and do at the same time. It's a little bit difficult to do or say, but it's really difficult to do and say at the same time. It's the simplest action. I'm just switching to toes pointed on the way up to toes pointed on the way down. Now let's go 50, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40, 39, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 10, 9. I forgot how to count. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you have it. 100 any reps. That's my bare minimum requirement for myself. I like to demonstrate. It doesn't have to be complicated. I made it way more complicated than it has to be. But it doesn't have to be perfect. That certainly was not. It doesn't have to take a long time. It can be any number of things. It's just really about keeping an agreement with yourself and doing a little bit, keeping that agreement small enough so that you have no excuse to get out of it. And then you can always add more, which is about what I am about to do now. Do just a little bit of stretching while I'm here talking to you. And then I'm going to do, I'm in the process of a 22-day challenge for the last 22 days of 2022. I challenged myself and a few others on the internet to do 2,202 extra reps before the end of the year to close out the year. And I was at 1,444 yesterday. So I'm going to do another 111 because you may have noticed I like to play with numbers and words. I like to play in general. And yeah, so let's whip out another 111 extra any reps. I'm just gonna mix it up. I'm gonna do some what I call sloppy crunches. This is in my way here. See if I can get it to behave and get away. Can't really, so let's see. I'm gonna do something else instead. We'll just modify. These are some kind of weird, like crisscross applesauce leg lift things. Not really leg lifts, obviously. Those would be a lot more work, and I have some back issues going on, so I'm enjoying just the nice mellow easy reps, and I like to demonstrate that it can be easier than you think. So let's call that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110.